Welcome all of you to the English class on the third level by Jack Finney. Jack Finney, he was born on October 2nd, 1911, number 16, 1955. He was an American writer. He was known for his science fiction and thrillers. Major works, The Body Snatcher and Time and the Game, are the famous books of Jack Finney. In his writings, the notion dominates and the time, the passages of time, the intersection of time dominates. The theme of the lesson. In this lesson, the third lesson, the author discusses about the complexity of human mind, escapism, time travel, sense of insecurity, and how the hero, the protagonist of the lesson, Charlie, is trying to run away from reality. The background of the lesson we should understand before going into the lesson. America in 1950s was engaged in a Cold War between Russia and there was fear, insecurity, and anxiety in the mind of everybody. We know that the First and Second World War was fought in the same century. After the Second World War, people were expecting a Third World War. Therefore, there was fear, insecurity, and anxiety in the mind of the people. There are three main characters in this story. The first one is Charlie. He is the protagonist of this lesson. Sam Weiner, he is the psychologist, at the same time the friend of Charlie, and his loving wife, Lucia. Charlie, he is the main character and he is the narrator of the lesson. Charlie is a super sensitive and highly imaginative person who indulges in flights of fancy. He lives in a world of dream. At the same time, he is a loving husband to Lucia. We can say that Charlie is a true representative of the modern world. Charlie is a victim of insecurity and indecision, and he tries to escape from the hubbub of the modern world. In order to escape from the boredom of the modern world, Charlie has found out a shortcut. His shortcut or the pastime was he was fond of stamp collection. And stamp collection, according to him, he says that it is a temporary refuge from the reality of the modern world. Charlie is fascinated by the good old simple days of his grandfather when things were pretty well and much more peaceful than the present world. Charlie enters into the third level. He was intrigued by the mystery whether the third level exists in the Grand Central railway station. In the last class, we came across videos on the Central Station, Grand Central Station at New York. Charlie, one day when he was returning from his work, he happened to enter into the third level. And after going to the third level, he was confused whether the third level is existing. Because after that first visit, he was never able to get into the third level. Having been once there, he failed to locate it the second time. Second time when he went, he could not find it there. Even when he and his wife think that the third level is existing. So, towards the end of the lesson, Charlie, along with his wife, is searching for the third level, but they are not able to find it. Charlie disguises himself as an ordinary man in an ordinary suit. When we come to the lesson, the first part of the lesson, the question that is posed before us by Jack Finney is, have you ever had any curious experience with others which you find hard to believe? Sometimes we have got certain experiences in our life and we believe it is true, but when we narrate this kind of experience to our friends and relatives and our comrades, they does not believe it. Charlie's experience of entering into third level is also used like that, because third level does not exist in the Grand Central Station in New York. Charlie says that he has entered there, but others hesitate to believe. So it's a question put forward for you to think and find out: is there any strange experience that you have come across during the span of your 16 to 17 years of life, which when you narrate to others, they don't believe? Now to the lesson. The president of the New York Central and the New Haven Hartford rails will swear on the stack of timetables that there are only two. Why? The timetable in the railway station says that there are only two. Whenever we want to travel from one place to another, we normally just go to the railway station and then we get the timetable. In the timetable, we will get the information about the train leaving from each station, what is the time, when it will reach its destination. So in the Grand Central Station in New York shows that the timetable shows the pilot timetable. He collected several timetables. In all the timetable, it is mentioned that there are only two levels. But Charlie says that there are three. Why Charlie says there are three levels, three platforms, or let's say three stories in the Grand Central Station? It is like an underground railway. When you go from first level, second level and third level, it is going down and down. When Charlie went down and down, he happened to enter into the third level, and therefore he says that there are three levels in the Grand Central Station, which people find it difficult to believe, because the timetable, the records, the officials, the presidents of the Grand Central Station, everybody says that there are only two levels in the Grand Central. Now, the characters that we come across in the next paragraph of this lesson, we already spoke about Charlie. He is the main character of the story. Sam Weiner, his friend and psychiatrist. By profession, he is perfect man. He is a very dedicated psychiatrist. But at the same time, he is a friend to Charlie. His diagnoses are very precise and terse. Directly, without interfering with their relationship with each other, he does the job. He does not believe in mixing of his profession with friendship, which means that when Charlie went to Sam Weiner and explained that when he entered into the third level, he did not want to mix up his relationship with his profession. He did not think that when he says the reality, or rather whatever his diagnosis, openly to Charlie, what Charlie will feel. And that is why he made it very clear to him that he was seeing a waking dream. Clearly tells Charlie that he is looking for ways to escape since he is not happy. This is the diagnosis, one of the diagnoses of Sam to Charlie about his experience. What is his diagnosis? He told that you are just trying to escape from the present world because you are not happy. He also explained that he wants to escape from the hubbub of modern world, the confusion of the modern world, the worry of the modern world, and that is why he entered into a place which is not existing. It is just like a daydreaming. Doves the narrator's hobby. What was the narrator's hobby? His hobby was stamp collection. He told that your own stamp collection, your hobby, it is a means to temporarily escape from the reality of the world. Fearing that there might be reaction from Charlie's wife, he is wise enough to quickly revise his statement by saying, like any modern young man, Charlie is a victim of insecurity. Earlier, he told that Charlie was trying to escape from the worries of the modern world, but he was at the same time concerned about Lucia, Charlie's wife, and he just went back in his statement, and then just like a modern man, he revised his statement, and he told that Charlie was a victim of insecurity. Since he is not secure, therefore he is just dreaming. Though Charlie is a bred, well-versed professional, He was also dedicated in his words where his patients were concerned. Whenever he is talking with his patients, he was very dedicated, he was very concerned about his words. Now we are coming to the next character, third character, that is Lucia. Lucia is the loving wife of Charlie. Lucia refuses to accept any criticism, even if it happens to be a positive and rational one. She doesn't like any kind of criticism to herself, not to her husband. The psychiatrist's observation that her husband was unhappy angers her and she challenges it. When psychiatrist Sam told that her husband was not happy, he was unhappy, she told that it is not true and she challenges that statement because she automatically connected that observation with her own responsibility of making her husband happy. She believes that my husband, if he is not happy, it means that I am responsible. And that is why she just challenges the statement of Sam. She is just like any other loving wife. She takes this comment as a personal attack on her responsibility and care as a wife towards her husband, and she feels kind of little angry. She feels little angry with the psychiatrist. The comment that is made by Sam angers her. She is a very loving and caring wife. More about Lucia. One being told about the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, she feels satisfied with the psychiatrist's explanation, little realizing the fact that he is saying the same thing in a different words. When psychiatrist told in the beginning that her husband was unhappy, she protested. Openly she said that it is not true because she had taken it very personally on herself. But what happened? Later on, when the psychiatrist explained in a different word, using different words, telling that modern world is full of insecurity, fear and worry. And therefore, every young man, every man in the modern world is actually worried that they want a means of escape. So when he said the same thing what he said earlier in a different word, she agrees with him. When Charlie talks to her about his predicament regarding the third level, so Charlie went to third level one day when he was returning from the office. Then second time he tried, he could not find it. So he was in confusion. His confusion he discussed with his wife. When he shared this predicament with his wife about the third level, she gets very much upset. And she advises him not to look for the third level anymore. She gives advice to the husband that please don't look for the third level anymore. Now in this lesson, again we will be coming across three great personalities. The President Roosevelt, President Cleveland and President Garfield. They are the presidents of America. We will be discussing about these people during the process of taking the lesson. Now what was the Charlie's reaction finding about the third level? Charlie's friend Sam, the psychiatrist, described third level as a waking dream, wish fulfillment. What is a wish fulfillment? Whatever desire he was having in his mind, he was trying to fulfill by just dreaming to enter into a place which is not existing. That is the explanation which is given by Sam to Charlie. He said it was an attempt to escape from the modern world which is full of fear and worry. He also explained that Charlie's entering into third level was a means of escape from the modern world because the modern world is full of fear and worry. Charlie's friends agreed to this and said that his hobby of stamp collection was a temporary refuge from reality. So his friend Sam told that your hobby, the stamp collection, is also a means of temporary escape from the modern world worry. So we are concluding today's lesson. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you, my friends. Have a good day.